Hello everyone, I am Aniket Sabut. I am from Kolkata. I have done my BTech in Electronics and Communications Engineering in 2020. After that, I have been searching for IT related jobs and I got to know about Evision Technosar Private Limited from one of my friends and got enrolled into their IT program for 45 days. Their Dipti ma'am helped me clarify all the doubts regarding my course and my session. They assured me that I will get a IT job within 2 months to 3 months of completion of my course. Then, as soon as I got assigned to the classes, I was very much pleased to meet such amazing faculty, teachers, and management who supported me to get hands-on experience on IT fundamentals, then networking, then service management, and also ITSM, that is IT service management tools. Then the placement team also helped throughout the journey, such as Priya ma'am, then Ganesh sir. They helped me throughout the journey to get placed. Finally, I am getting placed at Unlucky Digital after 2 months of my completion with a CTC of 3.2 lakhs per annum. I am very much grateful to the entire Revision IT team. I would like to recommend every new professionals who want to join this field to get enrolled in revision to get the best management and faculty to help understand very hard topics in a easy manner. Thank you. Thank you for the entire system. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.